get added into your profile. So how it has to be done is I'm just giving the time is limited as you know, and I'm here to give you an introduction where you will be able to implement it in such a way that at the end of this particular session, I'll be handing over to you a guide also written by me that can be really help you to, if religiously you will work for some 10 minutes, 15 minutes every day, your work will be done. Your profile will be so strong that even job seek, the people who are looking after the good aspirants, people who are looking after the active participants, and they want to grab the employees directly from their companies, that will be the right thing for your profile. So, and after this particular session, I'll be taking an FAQ specifically if someone has a query which is very specific, and so please remain with me. I'm sure that I will be at that level of understanding what you're coming over here plus. So without wasting a time, let me just share my screen. You can just confirm me if I'm able to share my screen with you. Rajni, Aparna, are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes.
All right. Someone who is from 3RI team, please keep admitting people. Today's workshop, we will keep it open. We are not going to lock it because some outside people also has joined. So welcome to all. This is a workshop on LinkedIn profile. When I'm saying it is a workshop, my meaning is that it is not a theoretical thing, but I would like to ask you to please log in on your LinkedIn profile so that eventually you will start doing a few things. That how to start. The most important thing in the life is the first day, first time when you want to initiate something. That's the reason we are here. People who have not started their LinkedIn yet and they are looking after the job opportunities regressively, it will be really going to get difficult in the upcoming market that your first professional, recognition starts only from LinkedIn. The moment you ask somebody the opportunities, the job requirements, anything related to your placements, they will eventually ask you that please share your URL, please share your LinkedIn URL. So my point of view is that another an hour, once you will be with me, the profile should be in up to that level that at least you will be able to share your URL with the people. Right. So let me just once again introduce me. My name is Riitesh. I'm the host. This is my qualification. You can see on the screen. This is about overall my professional journey. My strength is leadership, motivational speaker, pleasant and always positive. And this is how we are going to get started. So guys, before I go ahead, can I ask you that have you already started your LinkedIn? Have you logged in on your LinkedIn or not? Please confirm me.
You're already logged in.
You're already
No.
logged in? Okay. People who
No.
are not logged in yet, or people for whom it is the first time, they can just say on LinkedIn, they can just say that sign up with their Google URL, and they will be able to create the account in a minute. Simultaneously, let me open my LinkedIn profile also to be on the same page, and I will be sharing a little examples also. I'm sure you are able to see. I want to show you something that that is the most important thing, guys. I'm not here to, showcase my profile. I'm here to show you that if I post something, then within a day, my post got some 458 impressions. And when When it comes to looking after the person like me on LinkedIn, there are some 331 people who has viewed my profile in the past. This is what we are trying to achieve over here. Otherwise, everything on the front end, whatever I will be showing it, it is very easy, and I'm sure that you must have gone through all the other LinkedIn video profile formations also. But first thing first, as I am saying that it is a workshop for the people who are newcomers, and I request to the people who already know a little bit about LinkedIn, please be with me. You will get the value once we will be reached to that particular point. So coming back to my slide, because now I am talking to the people who are starting and doing first time on the LinkedIn. The first thing is to all of you is that now, since we are committed to work for another 20 days to develop the profile in such a way that job, what do you say, as the hiring authorities will keep searching you and you will be in their searches, it will be very necessary that until the profile will be all star, will be up to the mark, we will keep it hide. We will not send the notifications to all of our existing connections that whatever the changes you are doing, they should not get notified. For that sake, you'll have to go here. If you can see my screen, and go to settings and privacy. Please do it quickly. When you go there, you can see the last is notifications. And I want you to go to down. And are you reached here? Can we do that? Can we go ahead?
Yes.
So all the notifications should be stopped. Posting and commenting, messaging. Specifically this one. Meaning when you are updating your profile, this should be off. This should be off. This is must. Rest of the things are optional. Once you will do this off, then we are safe. Then we are safe to go ahead. All right. Meaning now, whatever the manipulation, the updates, the modifications, the changes you will be going to do, none of your existing connections will be seeing that what is going on, right? Because this is not the right way to keep updating, and everyone will seeing that what are you doing every day. I'll be a little slow at the first level, and once you will pick up, I will also pick up. The second thing is very important. As you must have seen, I only have some 546 connections in place. Let me show you my screen. So you will be always connected, feel on the same page. When I show you my particular connections, when I was not knowing LinkedIn, my connections were 33,000 guys. 33,000. But when I actually understood the meaning of LinkedIn and how to, proficiently use it, now my connections are only, I think 546 or something. Yeah, it is 576. Sorry. So what this slide is saying, what I'm trying saying is that it is very important to understand the importance of this particular platform. Because when you go somewhere and when you portray yourself, it is very important that how do you want to portray yourself? What exact thing you want to achieve? So for the new users, I would like to tell you there are three type of users come on LinkedIn. One is job aspirants, whose only orientation is to come over here and grab a good opportunity, like you people who are listening me at this moment. Few people are the hiring authorities, directors, CEOs, HR people who are coming here to hire the good resources directly from LinkedIn. And third is the people who are in the sales and they want to pitch, they want to sell, they want to, offer some services from their company to the direct audiences. Now, your niche, your core reason to come on LinkedIn is very clear, that you are looking after the hiring authority. You want to come into the searches of the hiring authority so that you will get more job opportunities, right? So meaning, when you will be that crystal clear, it is it is very important for you to understand that if there is a connection which is in your network and which is of no use, there is no point keeping them over here. What I'm trying saying is, please do not consider it as people are saying it, that LinkedIn is nothing but एक टाइप है ना हुआ Facebook. Don't think like that. These are all together are different platforms. Let us do not consider it as a social media platform. It is not. It is a professional profile platform where you actually can get a lot of recognition and a lot of rewarding jobs. But only the thing is, you'll have to be on the protocols. You'll have to follow the protocols. So when I'm saying that remove useless connections, my meaning is that if, let's suppose, I am let me just take an example. If Varsha ji is there and in her connections, there are a few people who are not on the ground, meaning that maybe if she is looking after the job opportunity in Pune and she has a lot of connections from Bangalore HR companies, there are no points. We can keep them as a connections, but those will be the I would say those will be the dead connections, not live connections. Those will be the you know inactive connections, I would say. So unless you understand a few things, it will be very difficult to understand that what is the difference between useless and useful connections. In my understanding, what I'm saying is that first of all, you should decide that what is the geolocation under which you want a job. You will have to be very crystal clear. Now, जैसे ही मैं ये बोलूंगा तो बहुत लोगों के मन में कुछ लालच आ जाता है. लालच as in that that if for my particular technology the job is available all across the globe, then why do you want me? Then why me want you to be narrower your scope? No, my purpose is not to narrow your scope. My purpose is to focus on a particular geolocation there so that we can start getting a few openings and then we will make it wide. Then we will spread the word. But let us focus on a small area where we can actually start getting a few positive responses. I'm sure you are getting my uh, the meaning of what I'm trying to say. So if you have to that clear that either you are in Pune or either you are in Pimpri Chinchwad. But now it is also a tricky. Let me just cover this. People who are into Pimpri Chinchwad, they are also adding into their profile Pune. Why? Because Pune has a big spectrum. If anybody is in Delhi, they do not know the difference between Pimpri Chinchwad and Pune, they will end up not reaching out to you because you will mention that you are in Pimpri Chinchwad. So my suggestion to all of you is, irrespective of your location, you have to mention that you are in Pune location, not in Pimpri Chinchwad. You got my point. It is very important, guys. Small things will make the difference. So don't think that you know this already. I know that you know this, but I want you to implement this now. If you see in my profile, you will see it is all, I must have mentioned it is India. Because for me, it is not job searching. My purpose is different. I am looking after all the aspirants like you to whom I can inspire and to give them the proper, job opportunities based programs. So my range is different. Your ask is different from LinkedIn. Coming back, if you know this, then you'll have to specify that I am looking after what particular thing. I'm coming on to that particular thing. But the point we were discussing was remove useless connection, meaning अब आपके पास अगर कोई बैंगलोर का या मुंबई का या कहीं का एक एचआर अथॉरिटी है जो आपको लगता है कि ही इज अ बिग शॉट, ही कैन हेल्प यू आउट, you decide it is a useless connection or it is a useful connection at this point of time. My purpose is to tell you that जितना क्लियर रहेंगे उतना ज्यादा डायरेक्टेड रहेंगे, उतना ज्यादा हम लोग क्लोज होंगे टू द सक्सेस, टू द टारगेट. सो maybe going forward a person wants to go to Mauritius and he keeps adding Mauritius HR authorities, hiring authorities, directors. At this point of time, does this make sense? No. So at this point of time, what do you want? That should be the on the top of the priority of your geolocation along with the connections I'm saying. जो भी connections out of your scope है जो आज आपको जॉब नहीं दिलवा सकते हैं in the layman language, वो सब आपके लिए useless connections है. Is this clear, Aparna? Are you people with me? You can just give a thumbs.
Yes.
Sir, I have one query.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, whenever we go on this LinkedIn and all, there are options like, are you looking for a remote job, hybrid job, or work from office kind of job? But if we are looking for a remote job or hybrid kind of job, then also geolocation is that much important.
It is a very good question you asked me. So, okay, so I'm answering specifically to your concern.
Okay.
Let us understand, Aparna, first that who must be those people who are hiring these kind of profiles. Let's understand in the reverse way. वो कौन लोग
Okay.
होंगे जो इस तरह की हायरिंग करते होंगे?
Okay.
So a few scenarios I'm just giving you. One of my friends' name is Gaurav Kabra. He was working in Microsoft and now recently he came down to Pune, in India now, and he's operating. He started a company which is based on C, C++, and he's doing good because AI/ML and Python. There are a lot of projects are coming. So what when I asked him that यार मैं थोड़े से resources मेरे hiring के लिए देता हूँ, so he said no Ritesh, I go there on LinkedIn, I invest my 1 hour over there, and I keep checking the resources who are actively participating on LinkedIn, who are actively posting a few things, and who are actually working towards the growth of themselves. So I personally go and pick up the person to whom I would like to hire, not through a consultancy or not through a training company. This is point one. Second thing is, you must have heard a term called we call it as a proxy. So in the last couple of years, there are a lot of people who have been migrated from India to some other places. Now, eventually, they have not been that learned and they have not been that upskilled. They are facing challenges, even if they have the green cards citizenship over there. They are facing challenges to fulfill the requirements of the clients now. Eventually, there is a big breed coming in between. So those agents put some, very beautiful article saying that we are looking after the 4 hours working, remote working and the good packages. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you will be working on behalf of that person with
Okay.
the help of the agent, which is all a black work, which is, which is
Oh,
a black-headed work, which is not, validated by Indian government.
okay.
Now the third breed, people who has started up their own organization, which is good, always appreciated. But then they are finding it is difficult to being honest and being keep doing the things the way they has started their dreams. So they end up reaching to that level that doing a gimmick in the market because job searchers कितना sincerely efforts मार के और job search करते हैं. So they keep playing with your with your emotions. They keep putting some wrong informative mails, information saying that we are hiring for the remote this thing. So if you apply there, most of the time, because my placement team also works with them. So what I observed is that you consider 80% people are only trying to capture your data. And then after a period of time, they will start marketing their products or services to you. Right? तो कितने लोग हैं जो genuinely लिंक्डइन पर हाइब्रिड जॉब प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं? This can be a big question, right? But if you are a mother and you, by looking at you, I'm just assuming you're a mother and you want to do a work-life balance where you want to work with from home
Yes.
and you want to support your family, and you know that you are still caliber that you can definitely do something in your career also.
Yes.
Keep it open.
Okay.
Keep it open for Pune location, or maybe few more places you can add in. I think two
Okay.
to three geolocations can be added.
Okay.
But just keep this thing in mind that that even if today I want to hire somebody to put him on work from home job from day one,
Okay.
but I will always keep in mind कि यार बंदा पूना का ही होना चाहिए,
Yes.
ताकि in any circumstances I can call them to come and join from office also.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is this satisfactory answer you got?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
तो मैं यहाँ पर हूँ ये बताने के लिए कि लॉजिकली हमें कैसे सोच के काम करना है. आई एम हियर टू LinkedIn profile formation is very simple, you know that.
Yes.
I am here to give you the knowledge so that you can develop your own logic कि हायरिंग अथॉरिटीज कैसे सोचती होगी, कैसे सर्च करती होगी, कैसे सेलेक्ट और रिजेक्ट करती होगी. राइट? For your case, if I was saying right, you can keep it open. All right. So let us move to the next point. My purpose is simple. अगर आप लोगों के पास में बहुत सारे यूजलेस करेक्शंस हैं, प्लीज रिमूव देम. क्योंकि हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं वो हमारे राइट ऑडियंसेस के पास जा ही नहीं रही है, वो किसी यूजलेस लोगों के पास जा रही है. और जब हमारी बात किसी यूजलेस लोगों के पास जा रही है तो डेफिनेटली वो इंटरेस्ट लेंगे नहीं. इसका मतलब मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला और वो बहुत सारे यूजलेस लोगों ने देखा. जैसे ही लिंक्डइन की एल्गोरिथम को पता पड़ेगा कि मेरा पोस्ट इज नॉट दैट अप टू दैट लेवल दैट इवन इफ देयर आर 331 people have looked at it but nobody has responded, shared, post, comment, like, meaning what? My post has no potential at all and it will down my post. Is this clear? आपका पोस्ट, अगर आपके पास 300 लोग देख रहे हैं और उस पोस्ट पे कुछ कमेंट नहीं है, शेयर नहीं है, लाइक नहीं है, इसका मतलब कि आपके पोस्ट में दम नहीं है. और वो कब होगा? जब आपका कनेक्शंस ही यूजलेस है, जब वो आपसे डायरेक्टेड ही नहीं है, जब वो आपके थॉट प्रोसेस को मैच ही नहीं करते. This is very simple. I know that you know this, but just let us look at me. I want to show that I have a strength. So these are my people and my photograph. So right now you look at me and you look at the photograph. You can assume that it is matching. So meaning is simple. आप जैसे दिखते हो वैसे यहाँ पे दिखो. ज्यादा over edited images, please do not use them. Today's world, everyone want to look after you to whom they were talking. So it is always good to keep a white or blue background and keep a smiling face with a very good close up. Do not show the complete body, but focus on your face that the people can look at you, can recognize you. So the backend, if we talk about the back cover page, for my purpose, I showed as a strength as my team, but for you, if you have nothing like this, you can directly write like, I'm taking an example of a full stack Python developer that he can use a logo because logo connects more as compared to the text. And he or she can write that 2+ years experience, functional expertise into banking domain along with a Python programmer can make sense. Let us make it for the data science, data analytics, because most of the people are doing this particular program also. If you have some past experience, maybe 2+ years you must be doing something into the BFSI domain. Two plus years of BFSI domain, along with strong technical expertise into Python and Power BI as a data. What I did is, please look at this carefully. I am saying that this person has a BFSI domain knowledge. This person has Python knowledge, Power BI knowledge, and data analyst knowledge. Meaning, you will be get onto all searches where the hiring authorities are looking after the people as a data analyst who has a good knowledge of Power BI and Python. And BFSI is something, it is, what do you say, cherry on the cake, right? BFSI डोमेन का ही अगर कोई डेटा एनालिस्ट मिल गया तो जॉब द हायरिंग अथॉरिटीज का काम बहुत इजी हो जाएगा आपको कॉल करने का. I opened ChatGPT also to make it more easy for you. If you can just look at it, I want to write a statement where I can reach out to more hiring authorities for getting job in data analyst. Kindly can you share me the one line statement for putting on my LinkedIn back cover page. I'm not sure what it is being called. Data analyst with 2+ years in BFSI domain experience, delivering business ready insights using Python and Power BI. Does this make sense for you or not, guys? Does this make sense? तो करना क्या है? Simple. आपको एक normal, even if you know this, that I want to download Python web developer LinkedIn page cover free download. I can directly getting a few images over here. इस तरह का आपको एक इमेज डाउनलोड करेंगे, राइट? एंड आप लोग उस पर इस तरह का एक चैट जीपीटी से निकालकर एक कमेंट लिखेंगे. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग इट फॉर यू. इज दिस क्लियर गाइस? कैन वी क्विकली गो अहेड?
Yeah, clear. Yes, sir.
All right. Do you want me to write these comments for your understanding on the chat? I'm just, maybe it will help you out to understand how to so people who are thinking that I'm taking a lot of time, yes, initially I'll have to take a lot of time to make sure that all are with me, and then I'll pick it fast. Coming back, this is your caption, this is your title, this is your, I would say this is nothing but if you are a brand, this is your tagline. This is your tagline. So for 3RI, as we have a tagline that mentored by experts, we try, giving the skills knowledge with the help of industry mentors. Likewise, if
So,
you are
so
a brand,
okay.
yeah,
So one question over here, can you mention your own written CV? Like instead of going to ChatGPT and just typing in the lines from there, you can have your own CV written in your words.
that is absolutely right.
Okay.
That has to be done in the very first way, Varsha ji. I am only trying to pull those people who will just give up कि यार कौन लिखेगा. You're all safe. You're all good. I
Okay.
personally do not like ChatGPT, but the world is of ChatGPT. What to do? We'll have to keep it up to the mark. So that's the reason I do not want anybody left out because कि मैं कैसे लिखूं मुझे आता नहीं है. If you can write it on your own words, this can be the beautifulest thing in the world.
Okay.
Write it on your own, right? Okay, coming back. So I was saying that it has to be uh, your tagline. So coming back at my particular profile, so you can see that it is my name and this is my title. If you look at it, you will find initial three things. I am trying saying people that what is the technical skills or what is the uh, core ability I have, and the two things I will be putting as in functional things. Mostly I'm saying. So taking an example of a data analyst now again. If the person's name is, let me take it as Rahul, Mr. Rahul Kapoor. All right, and data analyst, Power BI expert. I'm trying to make it into simple language. Complex लिखने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. हमें लोगों को confuse नहीं करना है. हमें deserving candidate बनना है. Right? I can write a little complex points also. I am trying to make it simple. Now, I don't want to write leadership skill. I want to say that, sportsman. Maybe a person has a spirit of a lot of sports he does. So if you allow, can I write it on ChatGPT also, Varsha ji?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
It is always good to, you keep polishing things. हमें यहाँ से सीखने को ही मिलेगा. I want to mention it in my LinkedIn profile as a title to visible to right audiences, which is nothing but the hiring authorities. Kindly, can you tell me the right keywords to mention to fulfill my purpose? यहाँ पे ये हेल्प करता है वर्षा जी. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अभी ये पूरा, अभी देखिए मेरा तो पेड है, तो इसमें डीप डाइव चालू है, डीप सर्च चालू है, राइट? बट इवन इफ इट इज अ नॉर्मल थिंग, इट विल एक्चुअली चेक कि कौन सा कीवर्ड पे सर्च वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है. सो लाइकवाइज इट विल सजेस्ट मी, राइट? सो it is a tool created by human to use for our benefit. So it is suggesting me that these are the core role keywords: data analyst, business data analyst, BI analyst. So whatever the words you find that okay, ये core role based हो गए, मतलब प्रोफाइल कैसी बनेगी आपकी जॉब लगने के बाद, ये बनेगी. कौन से टूल्स पे वो बात करेगा? पावर बीआई, पाइथन, एसक्यूएल एक्सेट्रा, राइट? डोमेन्स की बात करें तो इसने सारा मुझे बता दिया 5 के हिसाब से, राइट? यू कैन चूज द बेस्ट वर्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके, आई वांट टू गेट माय पर्पस डन, राइट?
Right.
Does this make sense, guys?
Yes.
Does this make sense for people who are listening me? I can see only 3 people are remaining on the camera. Thank you, Rohini. Even if you are in dark, but you are available. Thanks. No problem. Let us go ahead. Now, if you see under your profile section, write about your overall career journey. This is talking about this particular section. Are you able to see this, guys? Definitely, yes. So it is saying that, hi, I'm Riitesh Sharma, educationist by heart, etc., etc. I'm founder director. I've done this job. If you look at it, it has been written in the way of storytelling. It is written the way of a storytelling. But actually, if you understand that why it has been written in such a way, the purpose is simple. The purpose is simple. And what is the purpose? The purpose is that this is a complete section LinkedIn has given to me so that I can use a lot of keywords on which particular keyword I should get searched, my profile should get searched. So overall, if you understand this session is not for the LinkedIn profile formation. This is a digital marketing session going on. Why? I am teaching you how you will create your profile in such a way that it can be searched by so many people. Meaning, if someone is searching data analyst in Pune, data analyst job seeker in Pune, your profile should be on the top three, 1, 2, 3. And how it will done? It is nothing but a digital marketing. How many times you will be use the keywords? How many times it makes sense that you are using the platform in such a way that your profile is getting viewed by so many hiring authorities. So if you look at this about section, it is nothing but I have been using a lot of keywords by which I want to get searched. I'm helping IT professionals to, double to 5x their salaries. What I can do if can be hired as a one-to-one coach. I'm a mentor. These all things are written in such a way that my profile should be only looked after, should be only available to their search results where they are very keen about like what they are looking after on LinkedIn, right? So meaning अगर आप Python web developer हैं तो आपका पूरा जर्नी लिखना है with the help of anything. I don't mind if you are using OpenAI. उस जर्नी में आपको मेक श्योर करना है कि आपने वो सारे कीवर्ड्स यूज किए हैं ब्यूटीफुली, नॉट लुक्ड एज अ स्टफ, बट सो एग्जाम्पल आई हैव बीन learning and grooming in programming since my childhood and got a few recognition for Python programmer. I'm not here to write the right English grammar. I'm here to give you the idea how to make it. Second point, eventually my interest gone more and I learned and developed my data analyst skills because alone Python cannot sufficient to make a end-to-end enterprise level application. जो है वो मैं सच लिख रहा हूँ, है ना? Now I will be just copying this and writing on over here. Why I'm writing, keep writing over here is because I want you also to use this tool. If it is helping us out, let us do not ignore it. Now I will say, I want to write my about us section on LinkedIn and want to promote myself as a Python developer and data analyst roles. Kindly, can you do a story telling way and write about my profile where you make sure all of the relevant keywords should get used under that story. Is this all right, guys? Are you with me? Janani,
Yeah.
let us go ahead and understand how it is helping us out. Can you see this? Now, when you develop this type of profile, It is not for the people who are who are looking after. कोई इतना आके नहीं पढ़ेगा, किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. I am writing this for the search engine, which works not on the human brain, but which works on the algorithms. So algorithms will work on the keywords, not with the emotions, right? I am giving the hint to LinkedIn search engine algorithm that I am the deserving candidates for this particular profiles. Does this make sense, Sudarshan? You are late today, but it is okay.
I was at the work, sir.
Okay, no problem. So guys, just for the sake of giving you something, I'm just keep giving you the chats, and you can make it for your helpfulness. Now, when I said you this was the most important thing. Carefully choose the keywords. This has been already been done, right? Add experience in the experience section. This will be done. But before that, I want to show you something that guys, when are you writing, this thing, when you are writing the story, so the story should not be that blank. एक exercise करते हैं पहले जाके. I want to go on LinkedIn search engine. मैंने लिखा है Python web developer and data analyst in Pune. Python web developer and data analyst in Pune. When I'm searching it, I'm finding the results. I'll go to people. I'm checking the first 3 people who are coming to the podium, first, second, third. It is Hitesh, it is Sumit, and it is Siddharth. Now, whenever an HR will search the profiles directly, she will be getting these 3 profiles, or these 10 profiles, by the way. So now you must have heard a proverb said that if the wheel is already been invented, why to invent it again? So my suggestion to all of you is, don't do a lot of hard work. Do it in the very subtle way, where we can, in the very given specific time, we can reach to the goal. So now in front of you, I'll be just opening these 3 profiles on the different windows. This is Hitesh, this is Sumit, and this is the wrong window. सिद्धार्थ इंगोले को मैं वापस ओपन करता हूं. ऑलराइट, आप लोगों का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट काम है कि आप इन तीनों प्रोफाइल्स को, जैसे मैं आपके सामने कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा हूं, इन तीनों की पूरी प्रोफाइल को, ये देखिए कितना बड़ा लिखा है, इन तीनों की पूरी प्रोफाइल को आपको कॉपी करना है. एंड यू विल क्रिएट 3 documents. This is WinWord 1. Likewise, you will copy top 3 candidates profile on your Word document. By look and feel, you can see this person's face is a close-up. This person's face is also a close-up and a very normal photograph. And this person is also, resembling. Once we will meet him, he will look like this. No alteration, no editing. Open to work. Siddhant Ingole, full stack developer. Very simple, very plain. Do something great. This is more logo, but it is not required here. It is blank. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि जो मैं सारी चीजें कह रहा हूं वो करने के बाद ही आपका टॉप रैंक होगा, नहीं. क्योंकि सारा जो खेल है वो कीवर्ड्स का है. हाउ यू कैन promote yourself on the digital social media platform. So just jot this down guys. जब आपको 3 प्रोफाइल्स मिलेंगी, उन तीनों प्रोफाइल्स को आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि उसमें कितना है जो आपका पार्ट है, जो आपसे रेलेवेंट है, जो अगर आप लिखेंगे तो वो ओवर स्पोकन नहीं होगा. Once you jot down these things, then let us go and check their titles. Data analyst, very simple, full stack developer, student at BVSUL Pune. Passionate software developer, web developer, ML enthusiast, data analyst, DSA, PICT Pune. AIML, Python web development students at DY Patil. So these are 3 students learning in the colleges, right? आप देखिए इन्होंने कितना क्लियरली मेंशन किया है कि इनका फोकस एरिया क्या है. ये कंफ्यूज नहीं है, इसीलिए एल्गोरिदम ने इनको चूज किया है, इसीलिए एल्गोरिदम इनको हाईलाइट कर रही है, क्योंकि ये फोकस्ड है. इनका एक डायरेक्टिव थॉट है जो इनकी करियर प्रोफाइल में प्रॉपरली दिख रहा है. सो वंस यू डाउनलोड 3 ऑफ द प्रोफाइल्स, you will have to write your own profile, what I have suggested over here. जो मैंने आपको यहां पे सजेस्ट किया है गाइस, मैंने क्या किया था, थोड़ा सा खुद लिखा था और फिर चैट जीपीटी को सजेस्ट किया था कि अभी मुझे इस तरह से चाहिए, राइट? आप बोलेंगे कि मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मैं उसका आंसर कर रहा हूं, तो आपके पास नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, नहीं चाहिए. जो पिकअप 3 टॉप परफॉर्मर्स, टेक देयर प्रोफाइल्स, पुट इट अक्रॉस, एंड मैंने चैट जीपीटी, मैंने आपको चैट पे दिया है, ओनली राइट दैट व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, एंड इट विल क्रिएट in the given words limit, and your work will be done. You always needs to verify whenever it is coming from an AI tools, because AI is not that intelligent that it can review it is right or it is wrong. I'm sure you know this. You write 100 advantages of rice, they will give you. You write 100 disadvantages of rice, it will give you. So its purpose is to answer you. It is you who is going to validate it is correct or not. So let us move to the next slide. And now I will be a little, more on the speed. Let me just cover this particular topic, experience wala, which has been left out. So, all right, let me just go back, and if you go on profile under this particular section, you will find that these are the experiences. Now I want to clear one doubt for the freshers I'm talking about now. If they have an experience of working on a project, where is it mentioned that they are supposed to work in a company? An experience is not dependent on your job. It is a different thing altogether. If you have been worked on a project for some 2 months down the line, you can always write that I have an experience working on a project under 3 RI. Is it a wrong statement, Sudarshan, Janani? It is correct, right? So
Yes,
if it is not bluffing, if you are not trying to hide something and showcasing something different, it is all good. So for freshers, if they have been learned 6 months over here and they want to write that under 3 RI, they have been come across this particular experience where they have been done this project, it is all correct. उन लोगों के मन में शक आता है जो खुद झूठ बोलते हैं, right? If we are true, we are true. So take it as that simple. That is the way I'm speaking right now. So my purpose is to show you this particular section. Always add the right entity from where you have been done your academics. Because जैसे ही आप right entity, my purpose is to say you that if I am coming from a University of Rajasthan, meaning that ये राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी में जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना, they will directly becoming into my network. Are you getting this? So it is that beautiful, right? इसलिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप जो चूज करें आपकी एकेडमिक जहां से भी हुआ है, कॉलेज एक्सेट्रा, वो राइट चूज करें, उसमें कुछ फालतू के भी होते हैं. So choose the right entity where the most of the right audiences will be there, and it will be very helpful for you to get connected with your old students also, all old friends also. Not like Facebook, but yes, the right-minded, like-minded people will meet you, and it will be a good, a platform to get connected and help each other to grow in their careers. All right, can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
This is I'm done. Search the profiles for which you are looking for the job. आपको वो सर्च करना है जो हायरिंग अथॉरिटी सर्च करे और आप मिले उस पे. Take the essence of the best three correct references, as I said. Create the profile in such a way that all the keywords should be found in your profile. Right, Rohini? Search your dream companies. अभी यहां से हमारा वो सेक्शन खत्म हुआ है प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग वाला. राइट. एंड यहाँ पे हमारा नया सेक्शन स्टार्ट हो रहा है, विच इज नाउ आई एम बीइंग अ जॉब एस्पिरेंट, जॉब seeker, how to get connected with the right people. So let me assume, or let me ask Rohini, what is your dream company, Rohini?
Yes, sir.
Which is your dream company?
Infosys, Persistent, any MNC company, sir.
Okay, so my a little suggestion to you, like my younger one, होना चाहिए फिक्स, है ना? You look after the companies and keep a few 3-4 companies in mind always कि यार बहुत यहाँ पे जॉब लगना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
And eventually you will see that once you start affirming things,
Yes,
you
sir.
will start attracting those jobs opportunities. It is something spiritual, but I want to mention this. So coming back, if Rohini wants Infosys to be her dream company, let's start from that only. I am Rohini. I'm just saying it. Infosys HR Pune. आपको ये सब करना है, guys. The recordings will be available. So I am looking after the Infosys HR, जो मुझे जॉब दिलवाएगा, right? And under that post people, sorry. Now I will be actually looking after the people who can actually take me in their connections through which I can start the communication. Let us see it seriously. It is an HR intern. ORC TPD Infosys. Well, I don't know. I need to search it on the full form. Deepak Kamble is an assistant manager. नहीं ये okay. So Rutuja has already reached to a level of 9K plus people. उसको मैं दिखूंगा ही नहीं. She's analyst. I will be writing HR executive. Mithila Kulkarni, HR specialist. Infosys नहीं दिख रहा है. इसमें Infosys दिख रहा है नेहा में. So if you're thinking that what I am thinking, I am thinking to open only those profiles जिनको कुछ 2 to 5 years का एक्सपीरियंस, जिनका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज्यादा हाई नहीं है, वो अभी हमें कनेक्ट नहीं देंगे. हमें कनेक्ट देंगे अभी वो लोग जो जो ट्रांजिशन पीरियड में हैं, जो 3 से 4 साल 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. दे विल give you a chance to be into their network. So now Mithila is someone who looks after, not very old, but yes, she is very old, I think. Old as in not in the age, but in the experience. She is having some 13 years experience, right? So this is not relevant. 2 से 5 साल वाले लोग चाहिए मुझे Infosys HR के. Are you getting, guys? Now this is not a direct connect with the Infosys. उसने कहीं पे keyword use किया है. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Or
Yes, sir.
I shall show you some more. ये Infosys जो है ना, it is an ocean now. People are using Infosys word wherever into their this thing. Now I think Mayuri's profile is the right profile. So you see Mayuri's profile. She's into Pimpri Chinchwad area also. See how she has added Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. She's covering both. Right? Aparna ji, answer for your query. Right? So अभी मैं मयूरी को क्या लिखूं कि she will take me on her network. This is the objective, right? Because मुझे करना क्या है? Infosys is my dream company. When I'm applying directly, they are not entertaining because thousands of applications are coming and getting rejected. I want to get the job opportunity not from the portal, but from a human, where she will recommend your profile to the next level and you will actually get a scheduled interview call. This is what the purpose is, right, Sudarshan? So there are two things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there are two things. One, I can send a connection request, right? And under connection request, then once I'll be, I don't want to click over here, but okay. So once I click on the connection request, there will be two options. एक तो डायरेक्ट डिफॉल्ट मैसेज चला जाएगा और दूसरा यू कैन कस्टमाइज योर मैसेज नाउ एज यू मस्ट ऑल्सो बी नोइंग कि अगर डायरेक्ट ऐसा डिफॉल्ट मैसेज चला जाए कि हाय मयूरी आई वांट टू बी इन योर नेटवर्क थैंक यू रोहिणी थोराट शी वोंट एंटरटेन बिकॉज hundreds of people must be doing this but if there will be a specific thing on which is the interest area of Mayuri or which can connect her that यार इसने मेरे बारे में सोचा है मेरी प्रोफाइल को पूरा देखा है and then only she is sending me the right note for the purpose to get connected makes sense so long story short मुझे थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा कि मयूरी का ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल क्या है ही इज ऑल्सो क्वाइट सीनियर उसका ओरिजिन क्या है और यहां से मुझे नाउ शी इज अ एलएलबी गाय राइट शी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द एडवोकेसी बैकग्राउंड एंड ओवरऑल कौन से ग्रुप से जो उसने ज्वाइन किए हैं कौन सी कंपनीज हैं जो वो फॉलो कर रही है इन सब पॉइंट्स में से मुझे कुछ पॉइंट्स निकालने हैं वेयर आई कैन फील इट इज अ कॉमन इंटरेस्ट एंड how it happens let us just reach to that particular point search the companies who are working for your technology decide the goal make a strategy create a chart of daily activities meaning is very simple now we will have to जब हम लोग यहां तक पहुंच गए हैं कि हमें उसको कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट में एड अ नोट तक आ गया हूं आर यू विद मी गाइस
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
थैंक यू तो जब मैं नोट बनाने तक आ गया हूं कि कस्टमाइज नोट होना चाहिए जिससे मयूरी को डायरेक्ट हिट करे कि यार इसको कनेक्ट करने में इट इज गुड टू कनेक्ट शी इज नॉट अ यू नो शी इज अ वर्थ एडिंग इनटू माय कनेक्शन वैसा वाला फीलिंग करने के लिए हमें दो चीजें करनी है एक तो नोट में दम होना चाहिए विच यू कैन इवेंचुअली गेट इट राइट रिटन बाय द चैट जीपीटी राइट पर आपको थॉरली उसका पूरा प्रोफाइल देखकर उसका इंटरेस्ट एरिया पकड़ना है वहीं से पिकअप करना है you know female tendency is different than the male tendency females always you know it is my observation guys don't think that I am a person who always comment on this so female likes if you praise about them right if you praise about their rich experiences about their workability about their work life balance they like to get known about this particular because definitely they work you know in the two shifts what I understand and male generally they work behind their egos behind their a little to fulfill their uh, what you call it as an ego is the right word if you take it in a positive way to their self respect let us call it as a self respect so male ये मैं आपको क्यों बोल रहा हूं कि आपका नोट में वैसा दिखना चाहिए उसको आर यू गेटिंग दिस रोहिणी It has to be customized and should not be a thumb rule. It has to be created for that particular person only. Then it will be hit. Otherwise, it will not. एक बना लिया, 4 लोगों को भेज दिया, बिना देखे प्रोफाइल नहीं वर्क करेगा. Right? You'll have to be very specific and it has to be very sharper and clever text. 2 बार बोलेंगे, 3 बार बोलेंगे, जब तक अप टू द मार्क कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट नहीं आएगा तब तक नहीं भेजेंगे. सेकंड पॉइंट, कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि कनेक्शन क्यों ही भेजूं, डायरेक्ट मैसेज ही कर देता हूं. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन मैसेज, ये इस तरह का खुलता है. You will get a subject line and you will, so I don't know, for me it is 43 credits मेरे बाकी हैं. You can see because my profile is a premium profile. I am not sure about the regular one. तो आपको कुछ मिलेंगी, इसलिए आप, कभी कभी होता है ना कि वो मेरा प्रोफाइल देखा, मेरा कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है. So it is not always needed that you send them a connection request. You can directly send them the message by keeping it a right caption on the subject line and writing that what exactly you're trying to do. First thing first is very important that you, once you get connection, once you try to get a connection, don't be so salesy or pushy. Don't be so greedy. Just go as a win-win. आप दिखाओ कि ठीक है, you are up to that level and I'm up to that level. Let's share the network between each other. वो वाला फीलिंग जाना चाहिए. बहुत ग्रीडी फीलिंग नहीं जाना चाहिए कि आई एम स्टिल, आई मीन, आई एम लुकिंग आफ्टर अ जॉब इन इन्फोसिस एंड कैन यू जस्ट टेक मी एंड help me out taking into your network. No greediness. The moment you will find a greedy person, you will not buy from them. You know this. The moment people will try selling you out something, you will not buy it. So the good thing is to get sold is don't sell it. Always go into the win-win situation. You respect them, say hi, but say cheers. It is all good, right? So if you will keep that decorum, you will always get a good connections. You will always attract the right people in the world. Coming back, goal क्या हो, strategy क्या हो और chart क्या हो. So in my opinion, you should actually create a complete Excel sheet जिसमें आपका गोल डिसाइडेड रहना चाहिए कि मेरा गोल है विद इन अ मंथ, लेट सपोज मेरा प्रोफाइल अप एंड रनिंग हो और वो मुझे एटलीस्ट एक वीक में 4 या 5 जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज रेलिवेंट मुझे दिलवाए. दिस शुड बी योर गोल. स्ट्रेटजी, every day religiously you'll have to spend some 30 minutes on LinkedIn. 10 to 20 minutes you will be modifying your profile. 10 minutes you will be connecting with the right people. You'll have to write it as a strategy. Write it now. Once you create a chart of your daily activity, it will not bother you because it is a checklist. जैसे हम लोग रोज कुछ चीजें करते हैं, it should be into your checklist कि आज का ये LinkedIn का प्रोफाइल हो गया कि नहीं हो गया. For that sake, I was saying. One thing I forgot to mention. So if let us assume that ये प्रोफाइल मेरे काम की है, मयूरी पवार. Can you see the similar products what we saw on the other e-commerce based websites? क्या करते हैं हम लोग, एक प्रोडक्ट देखते हैं और सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाता है वो. Likewise, you are finding the most relevant profiles over here. Now this guy works with Infosys, this guy works in an HR. So क्या होगा अगर आपने एक सही कनेक्शन पकड़ लिया, तो then it will be a chain. Are you getting my point, Rohini? So it is not about attracting a lot of crowd at one moment. It is about how to start with the clever text, with the right information, with the genuineness, and with the right ethics. Your profile should be groomed in such a way that the moment, as Neha said in the introduction, that it is nothing but your replica. If you go or somebody will download your LinkedIn profile and that will go, it will be equal. It should be that crystal clear. So how to download the profile? I'll just show you mine. So if it is me and it is my profile, just look at this, guys. It will take another 5-10 minutes to wrap it up. Oh, I'm so sorry. When I'm clicking on resources, save to PDF, I want to show you the beauty of, LinkedIn. So under my downloads, it is my profile. This you can see. This is all about me, my skills, my complete journey. So people who have attended my earlier resume formation session, I'm talking to them now. The time has gone when you used to create your resume, guys. Right? The time has gone now. You should only always work on your LinkedIn profile, and the moment somebody is asking your resume, just download in a minute and send it across. This can be the best, format, model, type, and everything will be there. And the other person will always be happy. And I'm sure it is ATS tracker. It follows the ATS compliance also. So, so people who have already, created their resume, now their resume, their LinkedIn profile, and they themselves, ये तीनों चीजें एक जैसी होनी चाहिए. There should not be any differences between three people. आपका रिज्यूमे कहीं जा रहा है, वो रिज्यूमे खोल के भी फिर वापस लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल देख रहा है, राइट? लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल खोल के फिर आपको मैसेज करके आपका रिज्यूमे मंगवा रहा है, स्नैपशॉट, स्निपेट, योर शॉर्ट क्यूरिकुलम, बहुत सारे तरीके हैं बोलने के. You understand the core concept of creating a LinkedIn profile. So I will not take a lot of time, but I'll just show you one thing. This is the guide I was talking in the at the first time. This is the LinkedIn profile formation guide written by me. This is updated. All right. So you can use this for the daily references because it was a very short this thing. And yeah, I think we are good to go. And you can ask me if you have any queries specifically related to LinkedIn. I will be available for next 10 minutes. Anybody who is having the relevant questions about LinkedIn profile, please can carry on. Or otherwise, we will just wrap it up into next.
So I have one question that I am an immediate joiner. So should I put that immediate joiner in a title or not? It will impact my LinkedIn profile or what can I say?
Okay, Sakshi ji, thanks for the question. Why are you not coming on the camera? You're looking good. Can you give me more about you? Immediate joiner का तो आंसर है मेरे पास.
Yes, I have 3.6 years of experience in the front end part. I have already mentioned that which technology I have worked, that things, and for now I have enrolled for the 3RI technologies for the upskill my knowledge, so that I find a job on an immediate basis. So what should I write over there?
अभी देखिए, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिनकी कुछ थंब रूल्स नहीं है, मैं हमेशा बोल रहा हूँ, है ना? सो द मोमेंट यू आर सेइंग मी, तो मुझे वापस वही ग्रीडीनेस दिख रहा है इसमें, है ना? हम लोग लिखेंगे इमीडिएट ज्वाइनर, बट टॉप ऑफ द केक नहीं लिखेंगे, सबसे पहले नहीं लिखेंगे, 5वें नंबर पे लिखिए आप.
Okay.
आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes.
Because then what happens is whenever we are showing the other party that I am in a hurry, either it will be a wrong fix, right? Either way, it will be a wrong hiring, or either they will hire right, but you will get hired wrongly. Meaning वो आपको हायर करेंगे किसी और प्रोफाइल के लिए, बिठा देंगे कहीं और, बिकॉज वो हरी भरी में हो रहा है, एंड दे नो दैट यू आर एन इमीडिएट जॉइनर. सो keep it in that subtle way कि yes, I am knowledgeable, I am a deserving candidate, and if the opportunities is available, I am available. Have you got the answer? What you are trying to ask?
Yes.
तो ये मेरा सेलिंग पॉइंट नहीं है. इमीडिएट जॉइनर इज नॉट माय सेलिंग पॉइंट. माय सेलिंग पॉइंट इज ओनली माय नॉलेज एंड माय कमिटमेंट टुवर्ड्स द वर्क. माय सेलिंग पॉइंट कैन नॉट बी इमीडिएट जॉइनर. People wait for 3 months if they found the potential, right? So this can be a selling point जहाँ पे पूरा टीम ही एक ही दिन में डिसअपियर हो गया हो वहां पर. It is hardly it happens.
Okay, sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone else who wants to know something about?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
Sir, I had a previous experience in software testing. My last company was Tech Mahindra, and now I had a huge gap of around 10 to 12 years. And now I am upgrading the skills in AWS. I I already given I already cleared the AWS foundation level certification, and now I am enhancing my skills about uh, to clear the solution architect associate certification. So, and also doing the projects also. So how can I will combine my previous testing experience plus this AWS skills? That is my
How
question.
much experience you had?
6 years previously.
Have you been worked on the automation testing also?
The tools were company means though were company based. Though
That's okay.
were
I'm only talking about the concept. I'm not talking
yes,
about.
yes. I had worked on automation tools.
Was API a part of that?
No, not API was not part of that. But I worked in banking domain. I work in
I'm trying answering you. Please
yeah,
be with me, and you can also,
yeah, sure,
tell
sure.
me if I'm going wrong.
Okay.
देखिए 12 साल पहले क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग आ तो गया था,
Hmm.
पर इतना ज्यादा मार्केट में स्प्रेडेड ओवर नहीं. अभी 65% ऑफ द कंप्लीट वर्ल्ड हैज ऑलरेडी बीन मूव्ड देयर लोकल सर्वर्स टू द क्लाउड्स. तो अभी
Yes,
in 2025, but you are talking about 2012 now.
yes, yes, yes,
हार्डली तब लोग एडब्ल्यूएस एज्योर तो था ही नहीं, एडब्ल्यूएस को लोग जानते थे, राइट?
yes.
एंड लोग सेल्सफोर्स के थ्रू क्लाउड को जानते थे थोड़ा बहुत.
Okay,
नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग टू आंसर यू द वे इट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. पहली चीज तो आपने टेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस के बाद में एडब्ल्यूएस किया है क्यों? मैं पूछ नहीं रहा हूं ना, मुझे इसका
okay,
आंसर चाहिए. सो
okay.
डोंट वरी. एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है अपर्णा जी, हमें ना पूरा एक पैकेज बनना है, एक कंप्लीट. बिकॉज अभी आप इफ यू नो, मेरा भी वही टाइम था दैट once upon a time when we were working till 2013 I was also in a job. So that time the profiles requirement of the JD was like Java programmer, ऐसी Java developer.
Yes.
अभी जो रिक्वायरमेंट आती है फुल स्टैक जावा डेवलपर की आती है.
Okay,
मीनिंग दैट पहले उनको लगता था कि जावा का एक अलग रिसोर्स होना चाहिए, फ्रंट एंड का अलग से हायर कर लेंगे. बट नाउ दे आर सेइंग दैट बॉस मुझे ना जावा के कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट मेरा स्टार्ट हुआ, उसमें किसी भी फेज में मैंने अगर एम्प्लॉय को हायर किया तो वो वहां पे फिक्स हो जाना चाहिए.
okay,
सो फॉर दैट से फ्रंट एंड आएगा, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम आएगा, एल्गोरिदम राइटिंग, बिजनेस लॉजिक राइटिंग है, सब जगह पे वो जावा फुल स्टैक डेवलपर विल बी मोर रेलेवेंट एज कंपेयर टू ओनली जावा प्रोग्रामर.
okay,
तो अभी मैं आपको जो समझाना चाह रहा हूं वो ये है कि यू विल हैव टू गो एज अ बंडल. बिकॉज नाउ
okay,
ये उन लोगों के लिए बहुत ईजी है जो एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब से दूसरी जॉब में स्विच कर रहे हैं विद इन द जॉब,
okay,
जब बीच में गैप नहीं है तो. बट फॉर यू इट विल बी अ डोर विच यू हैव टू ओपन फॉर यू. अब वो
okay.
लोग का रिस्क ये है कि दे विल हैव टू गिव अ चांस टू अ पर्सन हु वाज सिटिंग एट होम फॉर लास्ट 12 years.
Yes,
तो दोनों तरफ चैलेंज है. सो नाउ दे विल बी मेकिंग श्योर दैट the person to whom they are giving a chance should be well versed and should be deliverable.
Oh, yes.
तो अगर पहले की बात करें तो आपका, या तो मुझे अभी चाहिए था कि मैनुअल टेस्टिंग के साथ आपको सेलेनियम की जब मैं बात करता हूं तो मेरा मतलब है कि आपको ऊप्स कॉन्सेप्ट आना चाहिए जावा प्रोग्रामिंग का।
Okay.
अदरवाइज अगर आज की बात करें तो आपको टॉस्का आना चाहिए, ट्राइसेंटिस टॉस्का।
Okay.
तो दैट क्रिएट्स अ कंप्लीट प्रोफाइल फॉर a person who is coming from a functional background, functional tester background,
Okay.
along with the latest tool which is Tosca or Selenium, or with the
Okay.
core concept of STLC, Software Testing Lifecycle. या तो ये
Yes.
वो बंडल होता था पूरा,
Yes.
तब
Yes.
आप सेलेबल होते थे।
Yes.
दूसरा अभी आपने क्या किया है कि आपने ना मैनुअल टेस्टिंग प्लस हाफ ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग आपको इतना आता है, मैं मान रहा हूँ।
हाँ.
आपने AWS का नॉलेज लिया है विच इज नथिंग बट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सपोर्ट।
Yes.
अब जब आप कोई भी एक जेडी खोल के देखिए तो आपको दिखेगा कि यार AWS, जहां पे मैं जेडी देखती हूँ कि AWS एसोसिएट सॉल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट की हायरिंग हो रही है, बट
Hmm.
सी दैट रोल्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में वो डेवॉप्स भी मांग रहा है,
Hmm.
CI/CD पाइपलाइन, मैवन, जेनकिंस एक्सेट्रा। तो क्या है
Okay.
कि वो अगर आपको अभी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सपोर्ट पे जॉब चाहिए, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मैनेजमेंट पे जॉब चाहिए, तो
Okay.
हैज टू बी मिनिमल, यू शुड हैव अ नॉलेज ऑफ AWS एंड डेवॉप्स।
Okay. Both the
अदरवाइज
knowledge.
यू विल ऑलवेज लुक हाफ।
Okay.
और अभी हमारा हाफ होता है तो चलता है, जॉब लगती है पढ़ना चाहिए, ऐसे कोई इशू नहीं है। पर अभी वी आर एट द अगेन वी आर कमिंग टू द एंट्री लेवल।
Okay.
नाउ लेट अस अज्यूम कि देयर इज अ कंपनी कॉल्ड सीमेंस, आई नो स्टिल दे आर वर्किंग ऑन मैनुअल टेस्टिंग,
हाँ.
बट दे इवैल्यूएट अ पर्सन ऑन सेलेनियम।
Okay. Okay. Okay.
कॉग्निजेंट, यू गो अपीयर इन द कॉग्निजेंट इंटरव्यू, उनके पास है ही पूरा मैनुअल टेस्टिंग का प्रोजेक्ट है, बट दे इंटरव्यू यू ऑन मैनुअल प्लस ऑटोमेशन बोथ, बिकॉज दे नेवर नो। सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी है, आज प्रोजेक्ट है मैनुअल का, कल आएगा प्रोजेक्ट सेलेनियम का, मे बी ऑटोमेशन।
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
at the time of hiring, there has to be some all the things in on the plate what you are serving to the client, and
Yes.
you never know where you end up sitting in a project and work.
Okay.
So now I am answering to you. This is all I'm just clearing your doubts.
Okay.
अभी हमें करना है कि 4 साल के फंक्शनल टेस्टर को
Hmm.
12 साल के करियर गैप के बाद AWS से कनेक्ट करना है।
Hmm.
दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट यू गिव मी।
Yeah.
अगर मैं ये दिखाता हूं कि 12 साल पहले आपके एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट में, आपके लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट में AWS था, तो इट विल बी द रॉन्ग थिंग, पीपल अंडरस्टैंड दैट।
Yes.
अगर हम अभी दिखाते हैं कि आपके एग्जिस्टिंग AWS के कोर प्रोजेक्ट में आपने कुछ फंक्शनल टेस्टिंग भी किया है,
Okay.
वो भी कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है।
Okay.
नहीं, वो भी कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है।
Okay.
आप समझ रही हैं चैलेंज क्या आ रहा है? हमें सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग लाइफ साइकिल को कनेक्ट कर रहा है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मैनेजमेंट से। That
Yes.
is that huge that this technology has born uh, after your
Mm. Yeah.
career stopped.
Yes. So what can I do now? Means what is your advice for me?
Let's do one thing.
Okay.
You give me the UI, you just send me the connection request
Okay, fine.
only.
Yes. Okay.
And let us get connected, and I hope definitely God will
Okay.
give us some idea to go ahead. Don't
Yes.
worry, it will happen.
Okay.
जब
Thank
प्रॉब्लम
you.
है तो सॉल्यूशन भी है, बट we'll have to find it out. अभी मैं कुछ भी बोल
Yes.
दूंगा doesn't serve the purpose.
Yes, sir.
Let me
Thank you.
just go through that and do a brainstorming. जब मुझे कुछ लगेगा काम का तो I'll ping you back and will answer you.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is there anyone else, guys?
So I would also want your help. I'm Paridhi Jain, and I joined 3RI for data science course, but with a earlier I was in financial field. I served Carvi stockbroking, India Bull stockbroking for 5 to 6 years, and then had a major gap for around 8 to 10 years, basically for family responsibilities, and then to restart as a fresher. I joined 3RI for data science course.
बिजनेस एनालिस्ट की तरह दिखा पाएंगे
Okay.
तब तो वो काम हो जाएगा। पर अगर आपको ऑनेस्ट और पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए तो यू जस्ट सेंड मी द कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट, आई विल आंसर यू।
Okay, sir. But I had missed. I had registered for your resume formation session, but somehow I missed that.
इट इज
So
ओके,
I would.
यू कैन गो थ्रू द रिकॉर्डिंग्स, कोई ज्यादा उसमें उसमें सिर्फ एक ही चीज मैं जो मेजरली कवर करता हूँ परिधि, दैट इज दैट हाउ आर यू सपोज टू राइट योर प्रोजेक्ट इन द राइट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड। तो वो आप एक रिकॉर्डिंग भी देखेंगे तो योर पर्पस विल सर्व। यू आर ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, नो, इट इज ऑल about mostly about the freshers. You just ask the operations team, they will share the resume formation session,
Okay, okay.
with you, and your purpose will done. Don't worry, it will happen.
Okay, I'll send you the connect and get back to you. I'll definitely want your insights into it.
Yes,
Well,
but I
well,
want to look up
I'm even open to work from home option or part-time option. If you can help me out in that case, even the freelancing projects might be one option for me because I'm
Can
thinking,
you come on the camera, Paridhi?
sorry,
Can you come on the camera?
actually my camera is not working right now. There's
Okay,
some issue with it.
no problem. Let us hypothetically try understanding all of the audiences who are still there and looking at me. Let us understand. Let me talk to someone else.
Okay.
Sir, I have one question. I'm fresher. Actually, I'm doing course in 3RI right now, but I'm in final year in engineering in Nashik. But I live in Pune now for course. So, what location should I mention in my LinkedIn profile?
Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad.
Okay, sir.
Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. Right. So let me talk to Sudarshan for some time. I am trying answering Paridhi's question. Is this all right, Sudarshan? Can we talk for a while?
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
So let's assume all of us that me and Sudarshan has started a company which is based on the small, monitoring and supporting to the data analytics, data science projects. And we want to hire people in the cheap rate, where we want to hire not freshers, but we want to hire the people who are enough capable to speak well, good into coordination with the clients, good into the corporate etiquettes, along with the basic knowledge of data science. So I chose a profile of Paridhi, Sudarshan,
Yes.
right? But the challenge is that Sudarshan, I want to, now I'm giving a chance to Paridhi that you come and work with me, because then my project is a little, need a little human
Push-ups.
intervention. एक smart
Okay.
बंदा चाहिए, and Paridhi can be the suitable person for me, along with the
Hmm.
good knowledge or basic knowledge of data science, which is all good because वो तो अपन काम तो करवा लेंगे. We are sure about that, right?
Hmm.
तो क्या सुदर्शन आप चाहेंगे कि परिधि को अपन घर से काम दे दें, वर्क फ्रॉम होम दे दें?
First of all, we have to see how sound she is in her knowledge.
वो कर लेंगे,
And if
सबमिशन हो
she,
गया है. See,
yeah,
मैं पॉइंट पे आता हूँ because it will take a lot of time. Just let me just cover this topic and then you answer me, Sudarshan. The person who was not working since last couple of years
hmm,
is trying to come on the corporate world once again and try to speed up, run with the people who are already running since last couple of years. उनके पेस पे आने के लिए क्या मैं उस खिलाड़ी को बोल दूं कि वो घर से ही दौड़ता रहे, या मैं उसको बोलूं कि ऑफिस में आके पहले फास्ट स्पीड में दौड़, जब एक लेवल आ जाएगा तो उसके बाद मैं बोल दूंगा कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर देना?
yes, absolutely right. I'm agree with you. She should have come to the office, understand how the work is being done in the office, how it is being handled, the clients is handled. She has to understand the culture of our organization, how we are working together. And as we study her also, how she is responding to her different tasks that we are going to handle to her, then only would in a future, based on her approach to us, then we will decide that if she is ready for a house work from home, yeah, she still need the time to work under in the office.
Thank you so much. So Paridhi, now I'm answering you. He's a third person. He doesn't know you, and I'm trying to know you, but your camera is not working, which is okay. So I'm answering you now. The challenge is not that work from home jobs are not available. They are available, but they are available for the specific people who has been already worked along into the team, who knows the team, who knows the infrastructure, who knows the system very well, and who knows that अपन तो करके ले जाएंगे आगे तक, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे अपन ऑफिस से काम करें या घर से काम करें. So the work from home job is available only for the people who are already at that par to deliver the expected deliverables to the company without any help of the team member. And at this point of time, in my opinion, you are at the urge of getting a job. So on behalf of Paridhi, I would like to request to all of you, ये इस तरह के अगर हम लोग कंस्ट्रेंट्स रखेंगे ना, तो फिर नहीं हो पाएगा या फिर वो डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स डू नॉट मेक लाइफ डिफिकल्ट, मेक इट इजी. आप परिधि हर एक चीज को अभी हाँ बोलेंगी. am I able to Paridhi, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Please don't take it otherwise. Please try to understand what I'm saying is it will make sense that अभी जब तक आपके इनबॉक्स में एक ऑफर लेटर नहीं आता है, तब तक आप कोई भी कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं रखेंगे. सब लोग, मेरा सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट है आप सबसे.
Agree, sir.
My 20 years old experienced friend is asking me कि रितेश, बैंगलोर की जॉब के लिए मत जॉब भेज, मुझे पूना में ही जॉब करना है. और मैं उसको बोल रहा हूं कि पहले बैंगलोर का जॉब क्रैक तो करके दिखा. आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? आई एम सेइंग दैट the need is to get a job, first need, and then we will negotiate on job number one, offer number one, to the next company for our constraints, for our, you know, niche requirements. The moment you will keep a shield that I am not available offline, I want to work from home, I want to work part time, I want to, so you see it will not work. You only keep one rule, and the rule is that I'm available. You call me and I'm an hour away. I'm an hour away. I will be reached to your office and will meet you. If this will be the approach, you will get a job, Paridhi. Don't take me wrong.
Okay.
I'm just trying to help you out to understand from different perspective. I know there has to be some responsibility. आपको भी कोई घर से काम करने का पर्पस होगा, कुछ रीजन होगा. But my purpose is to get a offer letter in your inbox, and I will be make sure that this will happen. Yes, anyone else has any
Thank
question?
you. Thank you so
Myself,
much.
sir, myself.
Welcome. Yeah.
Sir, I'm Varsha Rao.
Yeah, Varshil.
Basically, I also had worked previously for manual testing for 8 years. Then there was a gap of 12 years. And right now, like this last year, I completed my automation testing certification in Selenium Java from 3RI. So what are your advice, or what is it that I should be doing to get a job?
You should apply to, okay. See, irrespective of what you're thinking in the background, I'm just telling you what straightforward came in my mind.
Okay.
So please try to understand that what is the, motive of saying it as compared to you think that मैं आपको job apply करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. You create a list of Pune-based intermediate companies.
Okay.
Most of the companies are near to Baner location nowadays. You know, it is a very big chain now. There are more than 250 companies residing in Baner and nearby area. And those are the companies, जो मैंने example दिया था मेरे friend गौरव का, which a founder is coming from, somewhere from Silicon Valley and started a new organization where he knows that how to do this. उन लोगों को कुछ लोग चाहिए होते हैं जो strongly पूरे सिस्टम को आगे लेके जाएं. तो वर्षा जी, जो अभी आपको रोल मिलेगा ना, वो रोल हो सकता है थोड़ा सा कम टेक्निकल हो, थोड़ा सा कम, पर वहां पे ना वो लोग आपको और सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज देना चाहेंगे कि यार एक टीम हैंडल कर लो, थोड़ा सा क्लाइंट से इंटरेक्ट कर लो, बिकॉज यू लुक मैच्योर, राइट?
यस.
तो वो जो चीजें हैं जो आप में हैं, जो एक फ्रेशर में नहीं है, उन चीजों को वो यूटिलाइज करना चाहेंगे फॉर द बेटरमेंट फॉर देयर एग्जिस्टिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो अगर आप इन तरह की स्टार्टअप्स में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आप इंटरमीडिएट, जिनका मेरा डेफिनेशन है 50 से 250-300 करोड़ की जो कंपनी है, अगर आप उन कंपनीज में अप्लाई करेंगी, जैसे व्योम लैब्स है, And you will say that I am an immediate, joiner, as the earlier candidate said, and I'm well versed into Selenium, where your Java will be get tested. I tell you, कोई को फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपको Selenium कुकुम्बर आता है कि नहीं आता. सबको ये फर्क पड़ता है आपको इनहेरिटेंस पता है कि नहीं पता है. So when they are hiring a automation tester, they are not hiring a automation tool tester. They are hiring a Java developer basically.
Yes.
I'm just clearing your doubts. कि अगर आपको मैनुअल टेस्टिंग के कोर कॉन्सेप्ट आते हैं, आपको जावा आता है, then nobody will reject you. So if you are through
Okay.
applying, to create a list of them. We already working with you. My team must be working for you. But
Yes.
you create a list, start sending them the resume, start applying, start connecting with the LinkedIn, and then you eventually see कि 3-4 कंपनी से relevant job openings आ रही हैं. That
Okay.
company will not hire you for your knowledge. They will be hiring a person who can be an overall product which can be fit into their organization, to group newcomers, to connect with the client, help them out, to report to the project manager,
Okay.
coordinator between you,
Okay.
between the company and the client. And along with
Okay.
this knowledge तो आपको है ही. तो knowledge है तो सारा documentation, सारा जो FS creation,
Yeah.
test case writing, ये तो आप कभी भी कर ही
Yeah.
सकते हो.
I'm good at it. Yeah.
तो वहां पे वो आपको यूटिलाइज करेंगे. तो अभी आई थिंक आई हैव आंसर्ड यू.
Yes, sir. Yes,
इज
sir.
दिस सेटिस्फैक्टरी?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so keep trying doing. It will all good. Okay, anyone else?
हेलो हेलो सर.
Yeah, Janani.
हाँ सर, मैंने मैसेज किया है चैट बॉक्स में.
आपने मैसेज किया है चैट बॉक्स में. I am not receiving it. Have you done it one to one? Have you sent in the group chat? आप बता सकती है मुझे यहीं पे क्विकली, बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी यू नो.
Sir, I completed MSc in mathematics. My current job is teacher. Then what I should add in my resume?
MSc Mathematics.
Yes.
And I'm sure you are doing something related to data science.
Yes, sir.
तो देखिए
Master
डेटा
in data
साइंटिस्ट,
science.
यस, डेटा साइंटिस्ट टीम में एक मैथमेटिशियन तो चाहिए ही होता है.
हाँ.
तो यू स्टॉप सेइंग दैट यू आर अ टीचर. आपको अपने आप को मैथमेटिशियन दिखाना.
रिज्यूम में मुझे
लेट मी
रिज्यूम में टीचर एज इंक्लूड नहीं करना ना?
नहीं नहीं, रिज्यूम में टीचर ऐड करेंगे ना तो वो गलत डायरेक्शन में चला जाएगा. हमारा डायरेक्शन बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए कि फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ माय करियर आई वाज लुकिंग आफ्टर टू ब्रिंग टू मेक माय करियर इनटू आईटी. वैसे ही दिखना चाहिए. उसमें ज्यादा वो डाइवर्ट हो जाएगा. ट्रेनर, द इंटरव्यूअर विल गेट डाइवर्टेड. तो टीचर नहीं लिखना है उसमें. क्या लिखना है आई विल टेल यू. यू जस्ट सेंड मी द कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट. डेटा साइंटिस्ट टीम में एक मैथमेटिशियन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. इफ यू हैव डन एमएससी मैथमेटिक्स, इट इज नॉट अ जोक. आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज. So don't think that it is irrelevant. You are, unqualified. It is all good. Data scientist is the position, is the role where anybody who is coming from a non-IT can make their career very well. And जब पूरा काम ही डेटा का है तो पूरा काम मैथमेटिक्स का ही है ideally. So you're all fit into that. I will look after your resume or profile and I'll answer you over there.
Yes, sir.
Answer of your question was very simple. Teacher नहीं लिखना है कहीं पे भी.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Again, Sakshi this side.
Yes, Sakshi.
Where should I get that LinkedIn profile you showed us to refer that PDF?
No, I'll just ask my team. They will share the LinkedIn profile, that guide with you, all of you.
Okay, sure. Thank
The
you.
people who have joined 26, now 20. So जो भी लोग हैं उन सबको अभी immediately मेरी operations team will send you over the email, and my recording will be available on the LMS maybe from tomorrow onwards. So you can refer it. Please make sure you work on this religiously, and it can help you. हर एक 8 मिनट में एक hiring होती है LinkedIn से. So it is very important for us to understand the potential of LinkedIn and how it can change our world. I wish you all the best, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
There is someone from 3RI team. I just
Thank you, sir.
hand it over to you. All right. Is Kiran sir there? Who's there? No worries. Let's go ahead, guys. I wish you all the best and you have a great evening. Bye bye.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
I'm
Thank you,
here.
sir.
You wanted to convey anything?
So I only want to ask you to please, after this particular session, you can send the LinkedIn profile formation guide PDF to all of the joiners, to all of the,
Okay, fine.
correct.
Participants, yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
fine. Thank you all. Thank
Thank
you
you.
for joining this session. Thank you,
Thank
Riitesh
you,
sir,
ma'am.
for wonderful session. So we are signing off, right? Any queries, guys, you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.